Hi, today I'm going to make powder puff flowers or calliandra. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials I'm using are crepe papers in red, slightly orangey red and green, thick wire for stem, thin wire, green floral tape, and this is like bright red. All measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the stamen. This is 3 by 65 centimeters. So cut one piece per flower. And this is of the sepal. This is 2.5 by 3.5. Cut the same number as the number of stamen. And this is of the leaflet. This is 4.5 by 1.5. Stem is half a centimeter by half a centimeter. Cut at least 12 to 20 pieces per leaf. So take the red color, it should be slightly brownish red, and take the strip of the stamen and just lightly just brush across the edge. So I'll do this for the whole strip and then leave it. So after it has dried, just fold it in half. Now I prefer not to fold anymore because I want thin strips, so just once would be enough. Now just cut the fold and then cut very thin strips, leaving a little margin at the end. Like this. So I'll just cut the entire strip. Cut a piece of thin wire. This is about 9 centimeters long. Now take the strip that we've cut, open it. Like this. And take a bit of the green tape. Stretch it and wind it on this wire. Like this. Now just apply glue on the whole strip. And wind it on this wire. Just place it like this. And just roll the paper at the same spot. Like this. So this is how it will look. Now just take the strip for the sepal, take the serrated edge scissors and cut off one side. Actually this flower has small flowers, it's a bunch of flowers. Now just stick it, stretch it a bit if you wish. And then twist the ends. like this. Take the green tip and just wrap it from the end. Like so. So now I just need to open it. So just hold the base and just slightly brush all of them down, all the stamen down. Like this. For the leaf, first cut a piece of thin wire. This would be around 16 centimeters long. Take the green tape and just wind it on this. Like this. Now take 2 leaflets, apply glue on the stem of one and stick the other one on it at an angle. Like this. So I have already done with the others. Now I'll just apply glue and stick the wire top on it. Like so. So now just apply glue on the next one. And put it just below it like this and stick it. So I'll stick all of them in the same manner. So now take the thick wire and a long piece of the green floral tape. So I've made 2 smaller flowers, with lesser number of stamen. So that is entirely up to you. Now stretch the tape. So first I'll take the flower. Attach the second one. Then attach a leaf. Give a little gap. And the next leaf. So this is how it looks. Now just bend the leaves. So this is how the flowers would look.